John it is. What is the clip mic called? The clip mic.
Hey, hey, hey.
Just kidding. Here's the real project. So right now I am using the clip mic. The more professional term would be a lavalier, and it can be connected wirelessly as I have here. I currently have the clip mic attached to my shirt. You connect the clip mic to one of these, a transmitter, and you set it on the same channel as the receiver, which I have mounted on top of the 4K camera.
This is the handheld mic, really great for interviews. How's your day?
It's going pretty.
Cool, that's enough of that.
This is the internal camera. It is popular among like YouTubers because of their vlogs and things like that. However, it is not the best option if you have other options like the lavalier or the boom mic or the shotgun mic. As you can tell, it does pick up these background noises. This microphone is the shotgun mic. It can pick up noises from a distance.
Yeah.